Progress that we've made in getting everything all cleaned up and set up. Well, your first thought's probably going to be, if this is cleaned up, what the heck did it look like before? And yes, it was a heck of a mess before. But now, we've got a path where we can walk down this way to where we're going to be setting up our metal bench area over here. Sandblaster, which is hiding down under there. Another workbench in this area over here. This will be the paint and painting supplies. I figure I might as well put the flammable stuff back in the back corner, because then when it catches fire, I've got the door on the other direction. We cleaned out a walkway all the way around this, so that we'll be able to get stuff through here. This is sheets of material that I haven't been able to get to before, but I can get to now. This is the very narrow path to tread to get back towards the front of the building. There's max steel. Way up there you can see where the robots are hiding and where the paints are right now. I'm going to take this stuff down off of here, put the robots up there until I get around to working on them. Baggins has come in to check out the place. He didn't stick around when we were moving everything back in last night. This is where the 3D printer is going to go. Put the 3D printer on one of the small lac cabinets, build an enclosure around it with a second one, and put the small CNC for circuit boards on top. This is going to be the electronics workbench. And over we have that contractor saw and router. I'm pretty sure I can fix the saw. Don't think I can fix the router. Got most of my tools all sorted out and inside here, but I'm going to need to clean up all this stuff in order to be able to get at them on a regular basis. So that's the quick shop update. And just remember, if you ever thought that your shop was a torturous mess, now you've seen mine. And remember always, if Naomi Wu can do it, you can do it too.